we present the UCF205 self-aligning bearing unit from the Polish company CX. This insert bearing consists of a single-row UC205 ball bearing sealed on both sides to prevent dust and dirt from entering the bearing. The outer ring is spherical and self-aligning with a groove and lubrication holes. The inner ring is cylindrical and elongated with two 3mm Allen screws. To secure the bearing to the shaft, the bearing is pressed into an F205 housing made of gray cast iron. The flanged housing, with 4 through holes for bolts, has a spherical seating surface. This, together with the spherical bearing, allows for the compensation of initial shaft misalignment. However, it does not allow for axial displacement. A special nipple is located on the housing for lubrication of the bearing during operation. Bearing dimensions: inner diameter 25mm, sphere outer diameter 52mm, inner ring height 34mm, outer ring height 18mm, housing length and width 95mm, distance between mounting hole centers for M10 bolts 70mm. Learn more about this and other bearings on the company's website. You can also purchase a grease gun, hoses for hard-to-reach areas, and grease itself in our online store.